everyone, and remember my last video where I have showed that how can you make money with the help of Create Studio. And in this video, I think if I adjust, I think it's better. Okay. In this video, I will show you that how can you create a YouTube subscribe animation with the help of Create Studio. So as you can see, I'm in the Create Studio. So let's create a new project. First of all, see what we will create. This is the thing that we are going to create today. So I'm going to increase the preset and then name it YouTube SUB. Background color I will change it to green. You can change it to anyone, but I think green looks better. Then I will click on create new project. So we have created new the project. The thing that you need externally, first of all, your channel icon or any channel icon for whom you are going to create a video, and second thing that you need is a bell icon sound. By the way, only channel icon is not enough. You have to go through the internet. Just found that how to turn a square image into a round corner, because that's the thing we need. Okay, I have already done it with the help of some random website that I found through the internet. So this is my image icon. As you can see, it's in the circle form. I'm going to import this thing in my project. The second thing is that bell icon. I have again it downloaded from the internet. So except this, everything is available in the Create Studio. So first thing that you need to do, click on that callouts and import a rectangle. Okay, and let me change its position and size as well, and center. Then I'm going to change its position. Now I will go to the motion tab and make sure you are in the in section and open the slide and apply what we are going to not that slide top. Yeah, that looks better. Don't change anything. You don't need to do it anything at all. And second thing that I want to do is again I will use this picture. So here it is. Now actually let me just delete that animation for a moment. Okay, this is my picture. You can zoom to adjust things better. Now I will change its position at the maybe center of this rectangle. You have to adjust that thing by yourself. Okay, I think it looks better. And second thing that we need is like and dislike buttons. Again, go to callout and search for like. Make sure guys you import it 2 times, because we are going to rotate it to make it dislike. Okay, and now makes these size smaller, and you also need to change these things color. Make sure your size, both of the elements should be same. Here again change the position, and I'm going to zoom in to place it at the center. And for this thing I'm going to rotate it. Again zoom in. It looks better. Now we again going to import an rectangle. I'm going to increase its width a little bit, and here I'm going to change its color to red. Again place in the center, and here I'm going to use a text that will be subscribe. Then I'm also going to make it bold and change the font family as well. And make sure you place that thing in the rectangle. better. One more thing that we need is a well icon. I think I have to look for that thing manually. It's available. Okay, here it is. It's near to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to import it. Here again, lost it. There it is. And now again, make sure guys the size of that thing and that thing should be very close or exact. But for the color, make sure you use a same color on 3 atoms. I'm going to change its color. I think it is in the center. Okay, now okay guys, one more thing, let me just fit to the screen. Make sure when you done all your thing, whatever you want to use, then you select all the area and you make it in the its position. That well icon is not selected, so I'm going to select it again. Yeah, it is in the center. Okay, the next thing is we are going to apply a motion, because what I want to do, as you seen in previously, it is going to rise from the bottom of the screen. So we are going to apply any motion for all of them. First we go to the rectangle. I told you slide. We are going to, the motion that we are going to apply is slide top for all of them. Okay, let's preview it. You see, it looks cool. Of course, you can change its position all of them if you think it's not at the exact position. This is up to you. The next thing that I want to do, I want to use a mouse click. That's good. Again, you have to make its size smaller, and I don't want it to starting. I also change its timing. I mean, when that thing appear, this will appear. Mouse click. For the color, white is good, but go to the advanced and change its background with the black, and increase, it will make it a little bit real. Now what I want to do for this thing, you have to apply animation, custom animation. You can't use maybe you can use, okay, we can use. So first of all, I want to go to the like and press the like button. So here it is, and I will again go to the motion tab. Now this time I will back. Yeah, that's good one. The thing that I have applied is bounce slide right. Okay, and when it's arrives on the like, as you can see, let me just, when it's right, what I want to do, I want to change the color of that like icon. Okay, so for the other thing, I will click on that plus icon and I will select the color. I will go to settings. For the initially, I will just copy it. Sometimes this does not work the way I want. Okay, and I will also decrease its duration. It's still not look like that. It is because of that mouse arrow key. That is better, I think. We are also going to apply some mouse effects. Yeah, that looks better. Immediately after that, when it turns to blue, I want to change that arrow icon position. So here, and when it is arrived to subscribe button, what I want to do, I want to change the background color of red into that thing. Okay, that black. And next thing, I want to press it the well icon immediately when its color has been changed. So let's preview the whole thing at one more time. I think after that we are going to apply some mouse background noise. Background noise voice. Yes, you see. The next thing, okay, actually we have a lot of work to do, but first of all I'm going to use media library, and here I'm going to go to the audio, then I'm going to choose the sound effects. If you didn't purchase that media upgrade with the of Create Studio, then you can, don't worry, the sound that we are going to use you can find on the internet. Okay, so there are two mouse clicks, actually three, and mouse move. I don't go with the mouse move, but you can use it. So what will I will do, I will import both mouse clicks. Okay. Both things has been imported. I want to change it in the between of that animation when its color has been changing. So first of all, you can just drag and drop. Okay, you see, and again when its color is changing, second mouse, and here I told you that you need to import a bell icon sound. So I've already imported, downloaded from the internet. Here I'm going to use this one. I'm going to decrease the volume little bit. It's good. The next thing, you see that all the things has been fade out immediately. You can go with it. What I will recommend to apply an animation. Okay, for that make sure you import increase the size a little bit. I'm going to make it up to the 5 seconds. Everything has been done. Now for that thing you can apply the same thing, that it go to the bottom or any other animation, it is up to you. But what I'm going to do for that rectangle, I will again go to the motion. Now this time I will go to the out again in the slide, and this time we are going to apply bottom. For the mouse arrow I will apply a fade. Okay, let's preview the whole thing, I think one last time. So when you're done, click on that publish and choose your destination. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Have any query, let me know in the comment section. I can create more videos like this if you want. So thank you, bye bye.